Hello friends, myself Vineet Jain. I am a conventional businessman. I am a book lover and now I am also doing affiliate marketing. I am on a mission to help people earn money online. See friends, today I am going to tell you about the platform I am using it for affiliate marketing. It is BizGurukul. BizGurukul is a platform in which they are providing lot of valuable courses related to advanced personality development course, video mastery course and public speaking mastery course. See friends, first of all let us understand why should we join this platform or why should we start this platform. First let me tell you about myself, why I got started in this business. Okay. See, in this pandemic situation, everyone was in their houses and I was free. I had a lot of time, so I thought of doing something online. But by scrolling Facebook, I found a person. I came in contact with her and she told me about affiliate marketing and this BizGurukul platform. I attended the webinar, came to know the details about it and could understand that this is a totally illegal platform. It's registered under mca.gov.in. You can check in the website also, and it's having a GST number. Obviously, to run a business in India, you have to have a GST. So friends, this is totally a perfect and a totally legal platform. So why should we get started in this program? The simple reason is, if you are willing to do affiliate marketing, this is one of the best platforms. Affiliate marketing is a very big field. It's a very big market. So I got a mission by joining this platform. See friends, we never teach people or we never guide people in our normal life. Being a businessman, guiding and teaching people is something next to impossible in a business. So I got my mission. If I could help some people through this platform, if the people could earn something, then my joining this platform or my motto is completed. So I have set a goal, I have a mission that at least by the end of 31st March, I will inspire at least 1,000 people to get started work online. I will guide them also, so that these problems people are facing in this pandemic, about financially, about having difficult times. So a lot of people I know, they are totally have gone out of business, they have gone out of their jobs. The companies have reduced their salaries. So it's very painful situation. So I got something in my mind, if I join this platform, if I could help some people to get what they really want, then my mission is complete. The simple thing that came to my mind. So also, whatever position you are, if you are a student or if you are a housewife or if you are doing any job or if you are jobless or if you are doing any business also, traditional business or any type of online platform, anything you are doing, I recommend this business to you. Maybe you won't require these courses, maybe, but you can help someone, you can find someone who requires these courses. See friends, at this situation, I will recommend all these courses are very, 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 very important for you. Everyone in whatever field they are should go through these courses. They speak lot about the personality development at mental level, at physical level. How should they appear? Suppose there is a fresher who wants to go for a job interview. So what should be his personality? What should he look like? How should he dress up? So that's very important aspect of that interview. I can cite a simple example. A person, an affiliate in this presenting the courses, whatever told in the courses, a person has got a job of 13 lakhs in a company. So if you are willing to get started, this is one of the best thing I would suggest to you, because you have to learn it in each and every level. Without learning, what I believe, whatever be your age or whatever situation you are or whatever condition you are, if you are learning, then you are growing. If you are not learning, then you are static. In fact, degrowing. So friends, I would suggest you should go for these courses. It will definitely give some benefit to you. Definitely, they provide lot of value, because affiliate marketing is not a small field. In the times to come, this affiliate marketing business is growing by leaps and bounds. By attending these courses or by attending the trainings they are providing, you will learn how to know how to create a personal brand, how to generate leads from Facebook and Instagram, how to utilize your spare time, which we used to waste by scrolling the Facebook and Instagram. That time we are wasting on it, you can utilize that time here by giving 2 to 3 hours. You can learn a lot of new skills. You can get started your online business also. So friends, it's a very good platform, and this platform I recommend it for everyone. Friends, this is what I have to say about this platform. Thank you friends. Goodbye.